times I'm trying to put it in. I'm about to put it over my hand in my hallway. I'll be doing for this slime, a slime video. That's the shot I actually made. See? Let's just start it. But wait, I forgot something. I'm here with the guest.
Hey guys, I'm Blanca. Yeah.
She's from Vlog Life, just like the last one of the pages, just like with that. We're gonna do some switch. So the cups are in here. Let's take a bath in. So actually the good ones I cover are pink, purple,
Purple and the bad ones are green and green and blue.
So we got to that. So we're gonna put the good one here and the bad one here. And I'm just gonna mix it up. Close your eyes. Oh, this is a mess. That's enough. Can I peek first? There you go.
Keep.
Yeah.
Uh,
Got the good one.
Sorry, play with that.
Let me get tissue.
Guys, I made all these slimes at my house. These are all like made from me. So,
You got to yourself. I heard you. Like, so that's the bad one. It's very liquidy.
yes, what is it?
No, that's the floor. This one is very dirty.
Ready? It's dirty because of that.
Wow.
Hey guys, so we're gonna play with the slime.
Okay, so show Blanca.
Guys, it's not bad though, I can't lie.
It's in the bad ones. Because this,
It's not like the best out of the three, top three.
this is, no, it's not. It's not one of the best. But one of the ones in the bad
Because
ones.
they're in the top three.
One of the ones in the bad ones are actually good. Because I know this has a name. This is not good. This is bad.
What's wrong?
Let's merge stretch your stretch. Go. You said so fast. Go like. Go.
So this is a good.
Typically, I won this one.
Oh guys,
So I read.
sounds
This isn't that bad. It just tries out. Like the pokiness. Okay. Go.
yeah, so let's put them back in the container. I'm gonna choose both now, okay?
I won this one, so my face is getting shown. Okay.
Alright, so now she's gonna look to that side. I'm gonna put in this purple one and this green one. Like, look.
Okay, I'm not gonna mix it.
No.
I'm not looking at her face. Yes! I got the good one. She makes that face like she got the good one. Ow! Yeah, but my mom. Don't worry, I'm gonna play this. And I love that one too. But this one is better.
I didn't make good slimes, I can't lie.
We do?
Yeah, these are the ones.
We didn't make them because we didn't know make stuff.
I did. You made stuffing? No. So technically he did not make it.
The person that made stuff who made it to help you out.
And the person who made the container and
I want this one again. So close your eyes, Mama.
not yet.
Yes.
No.
See? That's all.
I know, but I'm not closing my eyes yet.
You get that one. So this is the bad one.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, the blue one? Oh, the other type. Where's the container for this? What is the good one?
This is the good one. It's different. This is for right now.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. This culture. No, I'm watching now. No, all the way. All the way. Look at your body. Go.
Keep smiling.
Yes! I gotta go, guys. I won.
Okay.
This one's not bad either. This one's good.
No, but this one's on this one.
It's not stretchy.
Yes, it is because I did it to when I was like this. That was me.
And the fact that mine's still stretchy.
See, yeah, the good part is it's scratchy.
Mine too.
Hey. It is. Look.
Mine's pokey too.
This is where.
Okay, so I won. I'm gonna play a different game.
In the same video.
And then I video.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, add a like and subscribe. So
That's it.